I used to feel uncomfortable because of the size. It was about 5 centimeters, and at first I was honestly skeptical.
If you make a single mistake, your little man could grow bigger than you ever expected. The oil we are making here is very effective. Watch carefully and follow the instructions. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to the EasyTips channel for more videos. Well, here we start preparing the most important oil that man has been looking for how to make it everywhere. The first ingredient we need to make this oil comes from a mango. Get a fresh, ripe mango and extract the seed. Break the hard outer layer of the mango seed and you obtain the inner part. In case you see any insects inside a mango seed, just ignore it. It is normal to find some small bugs inside a mango seed from mangoes grown without agricultural chemicals. Clean the inner part of the mango seed and cut it into pieces. You can also grate it instead. After cutting the mango seed into small pieces, ensure the quantity measures 3 to 4 full tablespoons. The second ingredient is a red onion, which is commonly available in most kitchens. Remove the outer layer of the onion and cut it in half, as demonstrated in this video. The third ingredient is also a kitchen staple, garlic cloves. Use 4 to 7 garlic cloves and cut it in half. Make some holes on the flat side of the onion and insert the garlic cloves in the holes as shown in this video. Then cover and allow it to rest for 30 minutes before proceeding to the next step. Heat 200 milliliters of sunflower oil and fry the onion embedded with garlic cloves for 3 minutes. Add the prepared mango seed and continue to fry until all ingredients turn brown. Remove from heat and allow the oil to cool at room temperature before straining. Finally, how to use. Apply the oil on your palm and spread it evenly and use to massage your important little man for 3 minutes. Do that every day in the evening before sleeping. Repeat for 7 to 21 days. You can stop using if you get comfortable with the results before the 21st day.
For any questions, I will be responding on the comment section below. Thanks for watching.